If you like eating, go to Istanbul. If you like history, go to Rome. If you like mystery, go to Edinburgh. If you like royalty, go to Madrid. If you like chaos, go to London. If you like sweets, go to Brussels. If you like color, go to Barcelona. If you like peace, go to Kyoto. If you like fashion, go to Milan. If you like fairy tales, go to Prague. If you like the future, go to Singapore. If you like scooters, go to Hanoi. If you like art, go to Melbourne. If you like beauty, go to Budapest. If you like magic, go to Marrakech. If you like calm, go to Tallinn. If you're in love, go to Paris. If you want nature, go to Iceland. If you like luxury, go to Dubai. If you like paradise, go to Bali. If you like beaches, go to Albania. Set a goal to see all these places with your own eyes. Share this video with someone you'd love to travel with. If you're not following, you'll probably never see us again. But if you are, then congratulations, you're growing every day.